Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the downs analysis on AnalyzeCeph. First off, you need to log in and choose the patient that you want to run the analysis, or you can start a new case. So in our case, I already uploaded it here, and I'm choosing patient number 8. So let's choose Trace Ceph, and we're doing the pre-treatment. So let's run the analysis. Make sure that the calibration ruler is updated. So it's right here. So far, it's okay. We started here and it ended here. We can adjust it actually. The importance of this is that the calibration tells how many pixels there are in 1 millimeter. So make sure that when you measure here, it's 10 millimeters. It's also the same here at the side. So they're both 10 millimeters. Let's save it. And now we're choosing Downs analysis. All right. So let's start. You may zoom in your X-ray so it's easier to find the points. And you can refer at the lower right portion of your screen, and you can see here the guide of the points that you need to plot. So it started with Nasion, okay, and Pogonian, Porian. So I'm using the machine Porian, okay, Orbitale, so for example here, um, you can move, you can change the position of the points that you already plotted. So if in case you need to modify it, just go back to where that point is and move it to its correct position. So this is the Frankfurt horizontal line and mark point A. Okay. As you can see, as we are plotting the points, AnalyzeCeph automatically uh, draws the segments, and it automatically measures the parameters that we need for that certain analysis. So it makes our work really easier. So next is Mark Gonian. So, okay, for example, it's here. I'm just using an average because of the patient's asymmetry. And Mark Menton. So let's choose this. Mark point B, Mark Sela, Mark Navian, mark the incisal edge of the mandibular incisor, the root apex. So I hope I see it clearly. So you can always choose to zoom in so that you can see the points very well. Okay, mark the occlusal line, posterior point. Okay, and the anterior point. All right. Incisal edge of the maxillary incisor and the apex of the maxillary incisor. Once you're done, the app automatically notifies you that you're done, and it will suggest you to save your work. So let's save our work. You can also download it so you'll have a copy of your analysis offline. So let's click save and download, and let's open it. So there, you get the summary of the values and a copy of the plotted points and the segments and the planes that was drawn by the app, by AnalyzeCeph. So thanks for watching.